So traders, today we're going to be looking at the silver and gold. I want to be giving you an update on a pretty powerful pattern that is forming in gold right now, and a pattern that we need to be watching out for. If you are in gold or if you want to be in gold, you will want to see this pattern complete. I'm going to share with you exactly what the pattern is and what is it gold. What are we looking for it to be complete? We're going to be looking at the mining stocks as well. And a quick little update on the stocky market. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So I get a lot of questions about what sort of trading system do I use and how do I trade the markets when I come across all the markets. So I've actually just put up a brand new training walking you through all the details to my #1 most powerful system for the last 16 years. If you go to johnslivetraining.com, or there should be a link in the description, or if there's not, go to johnslivetraining.com and you can register for my next free training and you'll see all the details. Go to johnslivetraining.com. All right, traders, let's actually start with the good old stocky market. We'll get that out of the way because I know you guys are just striving, little vultures. Show me the gold chart, John. Show me the good bullish. Show me the good news. Please show me the good news for the gold chart. All right, gold should be investing, by the way, guys. You should be investing in gold. So just like with Bitcoin holders, they had to wait 2, sometimes even up to 3 years of nothing sideways action to see the boom. That's exactly what we're likely to see in the miners and the metals. We're likely to see sideways action, then boom. How long the sideways action is going to be for, I don't know. We could see another 6 months of sideways action when it comes to the mining stocks and also the gold and silver. But at the end of that, which again might be another 6 months, it might be now. I don't know when, but when it does start to take off, we're going to see. You know what happened with Bitcoin last time, right? When it went from like 10,000 to 65,000. That's nothing compared to what you're seeing, especially in the gold mining stocks. Anyway, so let's have a look at good old stocky market. Stocky market today had a very nice update today. A little bit of a backing pattern first, with a little bit of pullback off the day, and then we rallied up to close near the highs. Really strong close out of the Dow Jones. I wouldn't be too surprised actually to see the Dow Jones hit the 40 mark this year. Where's the 40? Where's the 40 mark? Right up there. I wouldn't be too surprised to actually see the Dow Jones hit the 40 mark up there. Moving on now through to the S&P 500. Another little update. Another nice little noodle. Another nice new high. And if you guys have been watching me for quite some time, you would know that I believe we're in the middle, or we're in the startings of one crazy move for the rest of this year. And also same for the good old Nasdaq. Nasdaq didn't quite eke out a new high, but we had a very nice, just a nice little small update again as well too. So it does look like that we might be continuing to see this overall bull market. I do have a 17,000 target when it comes to the good old Nasdaq, and so that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. Continue to see very nice movement to the upside when it comes to stock market, when it comes to the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and the Nasdaq. We may see some pullback, but I am long as Donkey Kong, right? There you go. Long as Donkey Kong. So quick little update on the mining stocks. The mining stocks have continued to break down. We've got this bit of a gap here, and I don't know when this is going to be filled, guys, but we're going to get a turning point soon, I believe. Same for the GDX as well too. GDX has got that gap right there. SILJ got that gap right there as well too. To me, it does look like that gap is going to be filled, but it may not be now, but I believe we're likely to start to see a bit of a turning point soon. Same for the SIL as well too. So I wouldn't be too surprised once again, guys, to see, even if we did get a bit more down movement, to actually start to see some buying activity come back up, to start coming close this gap. Depending on what happens after that, it's going to be really, really, really powerful because we're squeezing up into like a bit of a triangle pattern here, which brings me to the silver chart. And look what the silver chart's doing. The silver chart is still holding really, really, really just very strong, right? We're actually, this is actually a bit of a bear flag formation. So, but we're still holding here right now. Come back down, bear flag. So the question is, do we actually get a bit of a breakdown? If we get a bit of a breakdown out of here, then what they say out of these bear flag formations is you measure from the top of the pole. So that's actually just say that was the move there and that was the move down. You measure that from the breakout, and then it says that we're probably likely to see something like to this effect when it comes to when it comes to silver. So if we actually break down past, especially this support level, we're probably going to run down to and bring it up just a little bit more to make it a little nice and easy around that $24 level. But if we can continue holding him, break back up, then we continue to stay in this overall nice triangle pattern, and it could be game on from there. Move over now through to the good old gold chart. And one thing I'm looking at here is obviously we had a very extended move down, right? This thing's been in now for 12 months. It's been sideways. But see, some people think, 12 months is a long time. Remember guys, crypto market, especially Bitcoin, what are they? They had to wait, 2, 3, 4 years. No, not 4 years, not 4 years. 2 to 3 years they had to wait before they started to see the big boom that they had. So that's what I see with gold. But on a short-term bit of a technical analysis, let's go to the good old weekly charts and look what's happening here right now, right? We have a bit of a double top in place. We have this one top here, and we have a double top here as in place as well too. We could be forming like a bit of a head and shoulder formation. We have this shoulder here, we have a head here, and this actually could be a shoulder as well too. So looking at this here, what we'd want to see is that if this is going to hold, if we can start to get gold to come back up through here, if gold does start to do something like that, then this is also going to be a higher low. This is going to be a high, and we're going to be breaking, if that happens, we're going to be breaking past previous highs. So that tells me that the buyers, the BUYERS, are in control. And if that happens, we're probably likely to race up to new highs and then break up and then go for a run towards 3,000. Or there still is a good chance that we may even just go sideways for a bit. I don't know. But it's really sort of difficult through there. Once we start to see a bit of a break above this all-time new high, then it's going to start to move big time. And that's what I'm seeing right now also when it comes to the good old GDXJ. Because at the start of this video, I talked about how the GDXJ chart for me is sort of like, when is confirmation of the next move up, right? Because we can't pick a bottom, but if we're looking for confirmation would be this here. To me, I'd want to see a move up, something like that, break above previous highs. That will give me a higher low in the markets. There's a bit of a low, a bit of a high, a bit of a higher low, boom. And what do we have in an upward trend? We have higher lows and higher highs. This here would be the start of the up move. So this would be the start of a beautiful big bull market in the markets. So traders, I'm getting so many people saying they're having a hard time with their trading and they need help. So I've just created a brand new, what I call breakthrough masterclass. If you need a breakthrough in your trading right now, then this is it for you. Because if you're losing money and you're finding it hard to get ahead, then secret number one is for you. Because you're going to learn the number one thing that took me from losing $250,000 to actually then make it income. What's that one thing you must know? And if you don't, you're probably going to keep going backwards like I did until I started applying that one thing. Secret number two is going to be all the details and steps to my number one most successful trading system that it works across any market and any time frame. And then also secret number three is actually how to use an awesome scanning tool to scan 3,000 markets to find these amazing, powerful trades and what allows it to give me the freedom and so on and so forth. So if you're struggling right now and you need that breakthrough, this brand new class is for you. So go to johnslivetraining.com, or there should be a link in the description. If not, go to johnslivetraining.com, register for my next brand new breakthrough masterclass, and you're going to absolutely love it. Go to that right now. Go to johnslivetraining.com.